Hi, my name is Heather. I'm the Director of New Product Development here at Jerry's Artarama, and I wanted to talk to you guys today about the new Artfinity markers and alcohol inks. At Jerry's, we're always looking to get the best art supplies for the best price. And so we found that with alcohol markers specifically, you kind of have two options out there. You have your really expensive artist markers that are like $8 a piece, and then you can get a set of really cheap markers for $8. So we wanted to cover everybody, from the beginner to make sure that these markers are affordable to the professional that needs a quality marker that will give them the results that they need. So let's talk color codes. Every color in this 300 color line has a name, which makes it easy to reference, but we also created a color system to make it easier for you to group your colors and figure out what colors it is that you need to get the most out of your drawing. So you start with the color code. That'll be the letter that shows up first. Y is yellow, R is red, YR, yellow, red. You then have one number followed by a dash and another number. The first number that shows up is saturation. So that's how vibrant your color is in that color group. The second number set after the dash is your value. The lower the number, the lighter the color. The higher the number, the closer to black. So as an example, I want to show you just a couple of groups of colors. So these are all BG, and we're just going to pay attention to the first color number. The first is BG17, so the saturation is 1, meaning this is a highly saturated blue-green color. The next, BG38, the 3 means it's a little bit less saturated, and BG66, that first number 6, means that it's even less saturated than the previous two. To speak on value, we have R1-1, you can see how light that color is. R1-55, and the reason that has two 5s is because in the value it wasn't quite a 5 and wasn't quite a 6, so 5-5. And then R1-8, you can see how much darker that is, especially compared to that first one, R1-1. Each marker has a chisel side and a brush side. You can get a variety of line widths with the chisel side, and the brush side is really great not just for laying down color but also for blending. So the Artfinity alcohol markers come in 300 different colors, but we also have Artfinity alcohol inks in 100 different colors, and those can also be used as refills for your markers. Now, unlike any other line that I know of anyways, you can get over a dozen refills out of just one refill bottle of ink. So you can have plenty of stock on your favorite colors. Super easy to refill the marker, so let me just show you real quick. All you have to do is take some tweezers, or you can protect your hands with rubber gloves like I'm going to do here, and remove the nib. Use the dropper side of the ink bottle to refill the marker, and then replace the nib when it's full. The Artfinity line has 300 colors. You have a wide selection, multiple sets, everything down to a 6-color fluorescent set. You have so many different colors to choose from. So if you're just starting out, you have so many options, and this is a great way to get started. But even if you already do marker art and you already have your own collection, there are a lot of colors in here that are exclusive to Artfinity and will be really great to add to your current marker collection.